A lower house Solon believes Senator Ronald De La Rosa should issue a public apology for calling for a probe on the alleged Padilla leaks that has dragged the name of no less than the president in the illegal drug trade. House Assistant Majority Leader Jefferson Conggun said the only objective of the Senate hearing is to embarrass the chief executive, and if it continues to not lead to anything substantial, then he believes it's high time that Senator De La Rosa apologizes, as he is the chair of the Senate Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs that is conducting a probe on the issue. For his part, Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Chua criticized the hearing and described it as mere politicking.
Ako nakikiusap kay Senator Bato, we call on him, no? To make a public apology sana kay Presidente Bongbong Marcos. Dahil talagang ang dahilan lamang ng komite na hearing ng committee na ito is para ipahiya, no, ang ating Pangulo. So nananawagan ako, nakikiusap ako na kung walang mapatunayan sa hearing na ito na ebidensya, no, sana humingi sila ng tawad sa ating Pangulo dahil talagang dinadrag nila yung pangalan, yung malinis na pangalan ng ating Pangulo, lalong-lalo na sa mga usapin na wala naman talaga siyang kinalaman na dito.
Ito pong hearing na to, maliwanag po, ay hindi na po in aid of legislation, kung hindi in aid of election. At ang tanging layunin lamang ay sirain at yurakan ang pangalan po ng ating Pangulo. Kaya sa akin pong paniniwala, ito po ay pagsasayang lamang ng pera ng taong bayan at oras ng Senado.